Right, I'm doing a bike ride today. Using me new GoPro Hero 10 for the first time. Well, I got off Father's Day from the kids and Andre. Brilliant. I'm heading towards Newcastle. 5 miles away. Use my e-bike. I need my e-bike more than ever these days. Because of illness. But now I've got some nice music on. Jabba's on the way. Bit of Cool Shaker, bit of always Liam Gallagher, Johnny Depp, amongst others. So Arcade Fire. So this should be fun. Shouldn't take too long. Nice day for it. Just gone past the A194 roundabout, heading towards Youth Golf Club. Nearly 2 miles in. Maybe overdressed, I've got full tracksuit on here, helmet on. Beautiful day. I'm planning on going past the Youth Golf Club, Johnstown bypass, Gateshead Stadium. Then over the Tyne Bridge into Newcastle. And heading towards St James's Park, Jesus Park. And then from there see how my battery is on my bike. Really? There's a bird having a little bath in one of those tray things for the bin. Oh dear, please go past. Right, this is the bit where I turn my battery, me power off, because most of the way now to Newcastle is all down, right, more or less downhill. So power off, I don't need my power on. There we go. It's a massive difference when you haven't used your power and then go back to normal. Feels as though the brakes are on all the time when you're pedaling. So far so good. Nearly 3 miles in. Busy today, like. Coming near Hughes Metro Station now. Still doing alright. Well, I should be actually. I've done 3 miles so far. It's 33 minutes to the Tyne Bridge. According to that sign there. 33 minutes. Normally it would take 5 minutes, less than 10. I think my tyre's just gone. Uh-oh. I've got to stand my tyres anyway, so I want to get the utility out of my bag and blow the tyres up. I'm here with Metro now. So good. KFC to my left. Oh, so tempting right now. I think we'll have that later on tonight. Oh, smell it. Oh, it smells lush, that. Make me want to stop and just have it now. One thing I should get is a drink. I haven't got one with us. Silly bugger. I'll just plod on and be alright. Just come off the bypass briefly. Behind the houses to the left. And back on it. There you go. Back on the bypass. Still no power. But no power for a couple of miles now. Really don't miss my car. Goes right back. Maybe they're half an hour delayed and the time gauge is actually real. The green lights are on over there as well. Oh dear. Certainly don't miss having the car at the moment. Green lights are on, they're hardly moving. There's some actually moving away. Just getting a thumbs up by someone there. If I wasn't being filmed, I might have been robbed. Oh dear. Hello there. God. Look where you going, man. Look where you going. I think there's some sort of camouflage going on at the moment. There's some dickhead being walking in the middle of the road. He's not looking where he's going. I should have gone faster. Look round this park, I think. There's not much battery left in the GoPro. Didn't realise that. Oops. And that's Lee's Park done. Just been to Club Shop. This is nice. Newcastle shirt. Right, I'm gonna head out to Newcastle now. Still got 5 lights to be batteries, so see where I can go to. I haven't got a clue what this music is. See where I can go from here. Just go alongside the Hopkins Fair. Town mower. Never been there before. Got a phobia for these kind of things. I'm heading to Jesmond now. I'll see where I go from there. Goes all the way along. Busy, busy, busy. Jesmond Dean. It's hanging up on this side. Just a couple of little like small waterfalls, like there's the canny, the good canyon here.
Say we got it made. Don't they know we're so afraid? I never believed that I would concede and let someone trample on me. You strung me along, I thought I was strong, but you just slighted me. I've opened my eyes and counted the lies, and now it is clearer to me.
Dollars? Cheers. Cheers. Don't think so. This is the main bit. Anyway. Football game. Still got 5 lights in the battery. It's not real. I think I've got the wrong way here. Oh, man.
Dreaming of the Buffalo days and the ghosts of the Iroquois braves. Oh, he rode his pony to town, but the actors were pulling it down. All the statues lay in the streets with the crows pecking under their feet. So he put a feather in his cap, turned around and never looked back.
Heading towards Newcastle training ground now. I've ridden about 3 miles from the city centre, right from Jesmond Dean, and Newcastle United Training Centre. It's currently a building site. They extend the training ground. It's about time as well. So I'll go from here. I'm going to go back to the quayside. There'll be no one around, so there's no point hanging around for anyone. So there you go. Let's go along here. And a few horses past here. Battery's running up my GoPro, which is a concern. And can't see the old eyes. Training ground being extended. A lot of building where there. Can't see it. Thank you. Can't see from here now. There's a fence there, so I can't see anything. Heading towards on the coast road, heading towards Wallsend now to join the cycle track, going back to Quayside, Newcastle. Came past the training ground, there was nothing to see. A lot of building work inside the building, inside the ground itself, but nothing to note. So now, it's just a short ride along this road. The flyover straight ahead, go right, down the river, along the track to the quayside, off home. Right, back on the cycle track. Wait, on the cycle track first time. Heading back to the quayside. Just going past the end of the wall, Hadrian's Wall. Shouldn't take too long to get to the quayside. I've still got 4 lights on my battery. Keep my power off as long as possible on this. Turn it up and down this. It's a lovely day this, like. We've only got 15% battery on me. On me GoPro as well, so we'll watch that. Oh. Only a couple of miles out the quayside now. Wind's getting up. It's quite busy as well. Seeing loads of bikers on this path. Front of that. Stopping cars and getting past probably. Where do I go from here? Oh, I'm at the side of the river now. Have I gone the wrong way? I have. So I took the wrong turn, but this brings you to like the harbour, like a little boat harbour thing. So it's alright. These dodge pots have got dodgy music on. Not as good as my music. Yeah, this bike is coming towards us, so I'm heading in the right direction. It's actually the best way this way. I've completely got the wrong way. Supposed to be like a little harbour with boats, but I've missed it. I think I'm on the top of it now, but I don't know, I haven't been this speed before. Like, I've always stuck to the cycleway, the official coast to coast cycle track. So looks like I've missed it, and the terrain on here is terrible. Still got 4 lights in my battery. I imagine I go left here. Yeah. Oh, Jesus Christ, man. Very bumpy. I've gone the wrong way actually. There you go. Back down the riverside again. Along here. Oh, there's that little harbour village there, man. St. James's Park in view as well. Perfection. Just gotta leave my battery on now, like. It's that Bolton village I was on about. Can you?